How do you clean that really stubborn dog drool that gets on your walls and baseboards? Dawn dish soap and white vinegar. This is a miracle cleaning solution for dog drool. And here is why. All right, let's start with the white vinegar. Why is this thing so beneficial when it comes to cleaning dog saliva? The reason is vinegar breaks down the enzymes in the saliva, making it easier for you to clean. Now on to our great friends, Dawn dish soap. We've all come to love this great product, but the question is, why is this so effective when it comes to dog saliva? Well, it comes down to oils. So dog saliva do have a lot of oils in it, and that little grease buildup can be stubborn. So if you combine the two, Dawn dish soap and vinegar, you break down the enzymes, you eliminate the oils, and you clean up that slobber. And one final bonus tip for you guys, this cleaning solution also works great if you have some drool stains on your upholstery. Now, mind you, this is not recommended for a deep cleaning of an upholstery, but it will definitely clean the surface stains, that is for sure.